I'm Preeti Somani. I'm a psychotherapist based in Delhi, and it's been my passion to offer high quality, solution focused counseling services to my clients. And I believe that mental health is a choice and that the journey begins when we choose to know ourselves better. I enrolled for this program because I've known for a while that it's known globally for its efficacy, especially for grief and trauma counseling. And I was also looking for an intervention which would have a more sensitive approach to some sensitive clients, more sensitive clients. And there have been a lot of takeaways. I am predominantly a CBT and REBT expert, and I feel now incorporating ACT as an intervention, it makes CBT and REBT look more complete, so that I can now take my clients from rational beliefs to actually steer them towards a life which is more rich, varied, and meaningful. So it feels great practicing it. I have already started practicing ACT, and the feedback from my clients is extremely encouraging. And through this course, I've learned how to confidently put it in practice as a professional. The course was extremely resourceful, excellently structured, super supervision we got during the course. And I think there has been an inner change. I have not only experienced this intervention, I can see a shift in my attitude towards my own pain. And who should I recommend this to? I think all mental health professionals would do wonderfully by learning this program from Chinu ma'am and practicing it. As a facilitator, she's been fantastic, warm, extremely skilled, extremely resourceful, well-researched, extremely accurate with the information. And I think I've got so much more for the price of one course. So it's like total paisa vasool. It's been a fabulous experience. And thank you so much, ma'am. It's been a pleasure.